Hello everyone, I'm Dr. DEVIKA AYEKPAM, working as an assistant professor in Sociology program, Faculty of Humanities and Social Sciences, Assam Downtown University. So today we are going to discuss about the relationship of sociology with anthropology and psychology. So first let's see what is anthropology. Anthropology is the scientific study of man, especially his origin, development, races, customs, and beliefs. So, anthropology is the study of all aspects of man. Anthropology, a uniquely holistic and comparative discipline, is the scientific and humanistic study of the human species of human biology and cultural diversity and its immediate ancestor. Anthropology emphasizes comparing human groups to understand the range of normal variation in human behavior and biology and therefore considers what it is to be human. So, the word anthropology is derived from two Greek words. One is anthropos and one is logos. And the meaning of anthropos means man, and logos means study or knowledge. So, the etymological meaning of anthropology is nothing but the study of man. So, we are going to study man in anthropology, and we are going to study the development of human races in this subject. So anthropology has a very wide field of study. So let's discuss some definitions of anthropology. Herskovitz defined anthropology as the measurement of human beings, and according to Jacobs and Stearns, anthropology is the scientific study of the physical, social, and cultural development and behavior of human beings since their appearance on this earth. And according to Kroeber, anthropology is the science of man, and according to Boas, anthropology deals with man as the social being. So let's discuss anthropology and sociology and how it is related to each other. Kroeber said that anthropology and sociology are twin sisters. The subject matter of sociology and anthropology are similar to each other, because of which Kroeber defines sociology and anthropology as twin sisters. The relationship between sociology and anthropology is very close. Both sociology and anthropology are interdependent to each other also. And social anthropology, which is one branch of the anthropology, studies man as a social being. And social anthropology, this branch of anthropology is the one which is most close to the subject of sociology. So anthropology can be divided into three branches, that is physical anthropology, cultural anthropology, and social anthropology. And the one which is most close to the subject of sociology is social anthropology. So anthropologists try to understand the man in their cultural and social setting more at the individual level, while sociology focuses on the study of society with provision of solution of the various issues. So here it means that anthropologists just try to understand the man only in their setting, especially in their cultural setting or social setting, especially at the more at the individual level, while sociology focuses on the study of the society with an intention to provide solution of the various issues of the society. So next, let's discuss about the psychology. Psychology studies the personality. Psychology is often defined as the science of mental processes, and according to American Psychological Association, psychology is the scientific study of the mind and behavior, and psychologists study such phenomena as perception, attitudes, and values and their influences. Social psychology, a branch of psychology, is considered to be the most close one to the subject of sociology. Just like social anthropology, a branch of anthropology is the one which is more close to the subject of sociology. Psychology also has many branches, and one of them is the social psychology, and it is the branch which is more close to the subject of sociology. So let's discuss some definition of psychology. According to Das, psychology is all about human behavior, about mental processes, and about the context in which behavior and mental processes occur. Lahaye defines psychology as the science of behavior and mental processes. Baron defines psychology as the science of behavior and cognitive processes. And psychology is the science of human and animal behavior, and it also includes the application of this science to human problems, according to Morgan. According to Rathas, psychology is the science that studies behavior and mental processes. So now let's come to the sociology and social psychology. Social psychology deals with the mental processes of man considered as a social being. Social psychology studies particularly the influence of group life on the mental development of an individual, the effect of the individual mind on the group, and the development of the mental life of the groups within themselves and in their relations with one another. Sociology, on the other hand, studies the various kinds of groups that compose the society. Sociology studies the social system, while psychology studies the mental system. And the nature of relationship between sociology and the psychology is still controversial, and the relationship between these two disciplines is still unsettled. Social psychology has to depend on sociology to properly understand human nature and behavior, as it is sociology that provides the necessary materials regarding the structure, organization, and culture of the societies to which individuals belong. Likewise, sociology also recognizes the importance of psychological factors in understanding the changes in social structure. So, though the subject matter is close to each other, sociology and psychology are considered as a separate discipline. And according to Ginsberg, many sociological generalization can be more firmly established by being related to general psychological laws. And similarly, Nadal also argued that some problems posed by the social inquiry can be illuminated by a move to lower levels of analysis, that is of psychology or biology. And especially sociologists like Max Weber, which is a German scholar, he believed that sociological explanation can be further enriched if an attempt is made to understand social behavior in terms of underlying meanings. So the relationship of these two disciplines, that is sociology and psychology or social psychology, is very close to each other, and it's interdependent to each other, and its association to each other is important to study to understand the various issues related to both these discipline. So that is the relationship of sociology with anthropology and social psychology. Thank you.